unloading all the goodness. I would love to get that thing off of there. I think I can beat that thing off of there.
Did you want back there?
Huh? Yeah. Yeah, I ain't gonna do nothing with them. I ain't gonna do nothing with them. Got Paul helping me unload this stuff. I think they're going up front somewhere. These boxes are going inside. These are the Mercedes-Benz heads. I have 2 of them here. Nice piece of heavy sheet aluminum. Don't know what I could use that for. Always nice to have something solid to bang on sometimes, but yeah. Yeah, but it's a bracket or something. Some type of bracket. Huh? Bumper bracket, yeah. Yeah, probably some type of something or another. Holds the bumper on. That's a nice piece there. Maybe. Oh yeah, look at there. Exactly where it goes. Look at that.
No,
not this particular one, but that's where it would be the extender. Extender.
Scrap metal.
Yeah. Yeah, scrap metal. I don't know what else to do with it, Paul. Anyway, we're making a pile. We actually have a pile. I got some mess to clean up too. Yep, mess to clean up. But I just uncovered all this stuff too from some tear down that I did earlier. Now I just got to get rid of it. Trash, trash, trash. Not right now. Picked up some hoods. I'm going to start me a nice pile right here. Hoods. I hate that one there. It takes up so much space right off the bat. Are there some more rotors right up to the front of the fence? But yeah, I'd love to. But they got to go to the front if they're going to come out. No? No. Yeah. Well, that's usually where they go. Somewhere there in the front.
Yeah, I don't see that.
I blocked it up too, ain't I? I got to do something with them. I don't want to drive around the truck.
Yeah.
All right, sounds good to me. Start us a nice heavy pile right there. Right in front of it. Move that aluminum. Man, I just haven't been able to get out here and do what I need to do. No. They're empty. Shake them. Might. I mean, if you need some propane, shake them. No? Aluminum. Huh? I know. It's crazy. I'm getting rid of it. As soon as I can, as soon as I get rid of it, it's gone.
It's still good.
Yeah. Yeah. You taking it out of the box?
Yeah, you said trash, right?
Huh?
You said trash, right?
Yeah.
You gotta pick them up from them.
I do. Unless it's real pretty or something. It's not. Too bad they're dirty, but they are what they are. Do it? I think I want to put up some fence back here, Paul. Yeah, I think I want to put up a couple panels right there. Maybe right, you know, so for down there.
Yeah. So
I can come in between, but down there somewhere. Not necessarily over there, but just for 2 right there.
Yeah.
So I don't, you know, you can't see this pile.
Yeah.
That's quite a lot of stuff.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, going up.
Yeah. Yeah. Computers.
Computer sheet you got to get rid of.
Yeah. Yeah, I pull all the parts off of it. Hell, I think I got a whole box in here somewhere that's just a box. Here it is. Box of stuff right there.
Yeah.
Hard drives and all kinds of stuff. And all kinds of stuff. I figured Greg, when he comes, if he ever comes, I haven't seen him for a while, so
Yeah, right.
if he ever comes, he's got these things here, the memory slots.
Yeah, I seen a guy put them in some kind of cleaner and got all the oil from them.
Oh yeah, they can do that. But I just generally give them all to Greg when he comes down.
It takes 4 hours. 4 hours to go off.
I wonder what it is. He puts them in. Look, I got this thing too.
And he's got some kind of chemical.
Yeah, some more.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Put them aside for Greg. He'll get them one day. All this other stuff though. I kind of messed up packing these like this because I got no way to get in there.
I know. That's why you gotta start coming in another way.
Yeah. That didn't feel good. Oh. Owie, owie. Hoarding money. Hoarding money.
Heavy, right?
Yeah, you can put them with them. Car steel. That's car steel, so. Goodness everywhere. Thank goodness, right there. Nice.
Still dirty.
Yeah, it's still dirty. I wouldn't know how to get them things out neither.
You won't?
I don't think so.
You can't?
It's a sleeve.
It's pressed in.
Yeah, it's pressed. It doesn't come out. So I just sell them with these, just like it is. The tops it only has one piece in it that's dirty. So the tops right there, I got to take that one piece out.
Yep.
And in order to make that clean. Then the tops are all clean. The bottoms are. There's only one bolt in it somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, just got one holding it together. Mike made it. You're 145 pounds? Yeah. I'm not sure where I put this heavy stuff. Same spot. Nice brass. Whew. See how much that weighs. $1.75, 95. 1.95 pounds. Almost 2 pounds.
Shit. Not more than that.
No, 2 pounds. It's nice though. I just took out a transformer. One of them transformers out of the golf cart. I think I get 45 cents a pound for them. There, it was 22 pounds.
Oh, yeah?
It's like $11, $11.50. Just out of one.